Hi guys, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to talk about my DIY adjustable standing desk. Yes, that's right, the desk that I made almost a year ago on 2020. I wasn't expecting the video will get a lot of views. And seems that a lot of people like it. Some people DM me on Instagram asking about the desk and want me to make a longer video with deep explanation. But actually I can't make a longer video because I recorded the progress on short parts. I don't have enough storage to record the whole making process. But for explanation, I can make it. Yeah, I know it's too very late to make explanation about a video that was uploaded a year ago. I'm so sorry guys, I'm just a schoolboy who busy with homeworks, school stuffs, and many other things. But I'll do my best. So I got the idea to make the desk from PewDiePie's room tour video. His desk is very cool. The desk height can be adjusted.
Nothing at all. Nothing.
When I see the desk was IKEA's and the price really shake my soul. It's too expensive for a desk, so I decided to make the desk on my own. If you watch the video, it seems that I made it in a day, but actually I finished the desk in a month. Yes, that's right, in a month. I made the desk part by part every day and wore the same shirt that wasn't clean for a month. Things that makes it too long is that I have to think about the mechanism of the desk, the sliding parts, the locking system, and many other things. I have searched many ideas online from people who also make standing desks like this, and most of them use actuators to lift up the desk. But it seems inefficient because you have to wait a minute until the desk fully raised. I need a desk that can be adjusted within less than 5 seconds and of course cost me less than $50. And here it is, my DIY adjustable standing desk. Okay, that's enough with the talk. Let's get into the making. There are 9 parts of the desk making process: legs making, sliders installation, making the sliding legs, making the locking system, middle bar, locking and unlocking part, coloring, the dashboard, and the last one is the footrest. You can make any kind of legs design for your desk. So far, this is the best design for adjustable desk. It is about 24 inches and the height is about 27 inches. There are 2 parts of the leg, the main leg and the side leg. You can use flatwood for the side leg, but this is optional. The important thing is that you have space in this area to put the sliders. You're gonna need more than 2 inches of space on both sides for the sliders. The slider is about 1.5 inches wide. I bought this 20 inches drawer slider, so you're gonna need 2 pairs of sliders for the desk. Install the first slider on the main legs, and before installing the second slider, you're gonna need to install a shelving steel first on the side legs. Shelf stand or whatever it is, I don't know, I have no idea what it's called. I got it from my uncle in Tina. I don't think he needs it anymore, it's already rusty though. It is for the locking mechanism. Before you install it, make sure it's balanced first from both legs, or the desk become tilt. And then install the second slider. Don't screw the sliders too tight. It needs a little bit of movement for perfect slides. You can use any size of wood bar for the sliding leg, as long as it fits into the bottom legs. Make sure you make this part strong enough to hold the dashboard. My sliding legs is about 19.5 inches. This is the part that makes people like my desk, the locking system. It's pretty simple, unique, and effective. I made it out of wind chime, big nail, can, and steel glue. The wind chime works as a spot where the nail slides, where the nail will lock the desk. I use layers of can to hold the wind chime. For stronger build, applying some steel glue should do the work. I use rubber band for spring system and string to unlock the nail. It seems doubtful at first, but it works. I just add one middle bar on the desk. If I put two, one here and one here, I can't put footrest in the middle of the desk. It causes the desk a bit shaky when the desk fully raised, but it's still strong enough to hold both legs. The middle bar length is about 50 inches. Now on the sliding leg. You can put small and long bar on it for the locking and unlocking thing. To pull the strings that lock and unlock the nail, I use wind chime on it. When you want to adjust the desk, you need to lift the desk a little bit before pulling the string. If you see here, I made a hole. It is to make sure your hand's not being squeezed when you put the desk down. This locking system works pretty well. You can use any color for your desk. Here I just use black color. I like dark color. As you can see here on my setup, most of things on it are black. For the dashboard, I use hardboard, which has 1.5 meters long and 26.5 inches wide. I didn't paint the dashboard for smooth feeling on the surface. I just put 3 layers of sheets, 2 layers of white sheets, and 1 removable black sheets. I make it removable, so in case I get bored, I can change the color or the pattern of the sheet. The footrest is optional. You can add it or not. I think it's gonna look cool and looks like a premium desk if the desk has footrest. And I got the idea from PewDiePie's desk too. For flexibility of the footrest, I use motorbike tire tube and still looks pretty cool though. Alright guys, that's all the making process of my desk, and I think you're gonna need to make 7 parts of the desk. And I am so sorry for my bad English. I hope you can understand it well. And good luck to make your own desk. If you have any concern or any project idea, just let me know in the comment below. Or you can DM me on Instagram. If you like this video, leave a like, share to your friends, and subscribe for more content like this. See you on the next video. As always, stay creative.